on Tweaker Nation. This guy runs a compressor all night right next to my bedroom, and the HOA board members could care less. Has the cops come and get him, cause a ruckus. His friend tried to stab me in the chest walking home one night. He parked there for months with a compressor, driving me nuts. Here's his friend getting ready to try to stab me in the chest.
Home, bro. Ooh, yeah, I'm so scared. Anything else?
Just a big nightmare.
Anything else?
That he doesn't
It sucks
care.
when people aren't.
I cared. So, Tweaker Nation. A tweaker from Kansas can run you out of your house.